Have you thought about exploring Amazon influencer program? I thought about it. I went online and discovered that there are a lot of questions left unanswered. A lot of persons want to know what it entails, how many followers they need, as well as every requirement to become an Amazon influencer. And in this video, I am going to take you around to show you what it takes, how many followers you need, every requirement to become an Amazon influencer. And remember, this is another way to make money online. So if you have huge followership and then you're looking for a platform to make money, do not worry. Become an Amazon influencer and make your money. Side hustle, legit side hustle is what we share here. So whatever you're thinking of how to make money, do not worry. Becoming an influencer will give you that edge, everything you need to make money online. So stick around as we bring to you that requirement, the followership, whatever you need to become an Amazon influencer. Amazon Influencer Program allows you to get your own presence on Amazon. Now, the big question is, how many followers do I need? Yeah, have a considerable number of followers. That's like a minimum of 2K to 30K. So once you have this, you're good to go. You're good to become an Amazon influencer. You're good to join the Amazon Influencer Program. Also, there are some requirements one needs to put into consideration before thinking of being an Amazon influencer. So, first of all, okay, for the requirements, I talked about the number of followers. So, you need to have a good number of follower base. That's from 2,000 to 3,000 followers on your social media platform. Also, you need to have an active YouTube channel, also have an Instagram handle, also Facebook account. So having these three platforms, you can, with your followership, you're free to become an Amazon influencer. So you push your traffic, post the right product on your platform, and then start making good amounts of money from Amazon influencer program. Another thing you need to know about Amazon program is to know what to post and where to post. So now you have your social handles ready, you have your followers ready, and you are ready now to become an influencer. What do you need? So you need to post content that is relevant to products being sold on Amazon. So you just need to post the right content that is relevant to products being sold on Amazon. So is your content related? Is it what people want? Is it worth paying for? Go ahead and do your research about this and apply for Amazon influencer program if you want to make money online. It's actually one of the platforms. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do well to subscribe to this amazing channel. Keep your notification button on. Like and share my video for beautiful videos like this.